Welcome to American Self-Defense Concepts. I'm Nick.
I'm Doug.
And welcome to Weapons of Opportunity. Welcome back to another episode of American Self-Defense Concepts, Weapons of Opportunity. I'm Nick.
I'm Doug.
Today we're going to be doing a review on the Proforce folder training knife. So from there it probably looks like a real knife, but it's not. So the purpose of a trainer is to be able to train with a knife, obviously without getting cut. So as you can see, yeah, it opens like a knife, but this whole side here is dull-edged, and it's pretty thick too. Let's simulate understanding the weight kind of a weapon or a knife, and having that feeling of, you know, hey, I just got cut without actually being cut. And I like this one so far just because, I mean, you don't get to see many training knives that are really folders. I mean, those are kind of hard to find a little bit. I mean, other than the Karamba one we found, but I mean, this is the only other one. I mean, there's some different variations of it on it, and we did get this off of Amazon as well. But so far, I mean, it's pretty. I mean, it's a little big for a pocket knife. I mean, even though they do make some that big. But anyways, yes, it is a folder. It actually just functions like a pocket knife, how to close it and everything like that. And it's got the little notch right there where you can sit there and flip it open. Okay. And on Amazon, it's got 4.6 stars out of 30 reviews. And I mean, nobody really left any bad reviews, even like the 3 or 4 stars. No, I mean, nobody really gave much of a reason for the rating. And everybody else on durability and the product itself have given it like over 5 stars just on those things. What do you think about it?
Well, you know how I always end my videos with "Don't be a dumbass, use a trainer." Hey, dumbasses, this is a trainer. This is what you train with, so you don't hurt your partner
or yourself.
So yes, if you're working with edged weapons and don't have the military, they train with a real knife, but they still have coverage so that the blades are covered. But yeah, you do your training with a dull knife.
That's all for show. Downriver for success.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit that out.
Are we? How to properly kill yourself
with a trainer.
With a trainer.
You know, I like the weight on this. It's got a good feel. It's a little bulky, but torque. What you're training to work with a live blade, this is awesome. If it had the retention ring on the bottom, I'd even be more pleased.
Right.
But it's not a Karamba, but I love the retention rings. That's just me.
Yeah. I mean, it does have a pocket clip on it too, like your normal folder knives. I like this one, and we chose to do this trainer knife first out of the 2 we ordered. I mean, just because you're more likely to probably going to run into a pocket knife. I mean, how many people carry a pocket knife during the day?
Depends on which part of the country you live in.
Yeah.
Out here, everybody has one.
Exactly.
Everybody probably has a gun too, but
yeah,
I'm damn close to it.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's just awesome that, I mean, and plus your folding knives are very concealable too. I mean, how easy is it to hide in your hand, not have anybody show it, and then all of a sudden just go flap?
Is that a technical term?
Flap, flap.
Depth finder.
Depth finder.
Megalon dart.
I mean, the grip on it's pretty good too. I mean, I like the grip on it. It's got a nice feel to it.
It's got baby hands.
Yeah, I got baby hands, I guess. What do you think of the grip?
He's not cutting me. Yeah, it's actually a little small
for you.
for my hand, but I'd like to have that leverage of that last finger, but it's not there. But still got a good
Yeah, and I like how they put
thumb.
I like how they put the ridge back there with the thumb to keep the grip with your thumb from sliding.
Can you see that? Tough crap, I'm not getting up. Yeah, it's not as nice as with that solid crown that we did, but it still grips pretty good.
Yeah.
But, yeah. I mean, yeah, these are nice because I can simulate, instead of actually using the blade, I can slap him upside the head with it. Ooh, can I do that again? It's kind of fun.
Sure. I mean, next thing I would sit there and really say, I mean, I do like the finger guard on it. Again, other than the thumb, you got a nice little forefinger here guard, so that way, again, if you're stabbing, not as likely to have your finger slip up and cut up along the blade, but it's still possible.
So, on that Amazon review, how many total reviews were there?
30.
So there's 30 smart people anyway that train with a trainer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, what a concept.
Huh. Okay.
Price point?
Get one of these for $13, and we'll put the link down below for you.
Ooh, Kershaw's got a nice one there we're going to have to try too.
Yeah.
Sorry, now you got me looking. Red draining knife. Simulated blood. Okay, anyway.
So I guess $13 on Amazon if you're interested in getting one of those.
This is why we don't let him play with sharp knives.
Yeah, I gotta play with dual knives.
Unless you have somebody you really don't like, you want to kill them. So use a bolt butter knife.
Yeah.
Or a trainer.
Or a trainer. Okay. I mean, if I was to give this a rating, I'd probably still give it. I'd probably still give it a 4.5 to 5. I mean, since we've played with it, I mean, it's been pretty nice. I mean, like I said, it fits my baby hands, but I mean, your hands, I mean, it's so small, but
Yeah, I'd still give it a 4.5. It's a pretty good little unit. I mean, that is something you can work multiple scenarios with, and one, know your partner's going to be safe,
and also yourself.
and yourself, unless you really don't like your partner, training partner.
Yeah.
But oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, come on now.
If all else fails, it works to butter your bread. Or butter your toast.
Yep.
I wouldn't recommend this when it's got some germs on it. And...
Oh my god, COVID!
Closest thing you're going to get to a mask.
Well then.
Okay then.
Okay then.
Would Doug Markita approve of this trainer?
That's a good question.
I think he probably still would, even though it doesn't have a retention ring.
I think you would too.
But okay, Maestro would. This is the type of knife he prefers,
Yeah.
and he's fun to watch.
Yeah.
Just not in MMA matches.
No.
Shout out! I appreciate the folks that step outside the sport mindset and understand the principles of where we play in. It does have a loop on the end. If you really wanted to hang put a leg and hang it from your neck, you could.
But again, as always, as we mentioned, if you like getting choked, I mean, it's up to you.
Nobody choked me. It don't make any sense. But yeah, this would be a good recommended So far, it's been really durable. It hasn't loosened up in the wrong places, and seems to be a pretty solid little trainer.
Yeah. And I've definitely sat there, been playing with it out of us too. So I mean, I've liked it so far. I think I just like it just because it fits my hand. But
I'm sorry, I was doing that wrong.
yeah, come on now. You're even hitting the wrong spots. Come on.
Get desperate, lick it, give them what Willie. Is that before or after they're bleeding out? Willie.
Personal preference.
If you're into that kind of kink. Anyway, the handle, yes, even for a trainer, even without being wet, that would still have a good grip on it. Yeah, I'm shaking it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
I was gonna ask if you were seizing, but
yes. You're not the first person to accuse me of having a seizure. So on that note, we go to the other side.
On that note, God,
he's panicking. He's panicking.
He's panicking. He's panicking.
Okay, off
Anyway.
topic. Anyways, but yes, I said we'll put the link down below on our video in the description. That'll take you to Amazon to one of these if you are interested in getting one of these. Again, it is a Proforce folding trainer knife. So, I mean, like I said, like we said, good little unit for practicing anything with knife work and being safe with yourself and also your partner. And I think that concludes today's episode. I'm Nick.
I'm Doug.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Peace be upon you. We appreciate you guys watching our video. Always feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and also check out the links for the products we have posted in our video.